Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get that Maleek Berry kind of vibe, Maleek Berry kind of nice sounding melodies. So, without wasting time, guys, let us go right into our DW. So, I show you how you can easily do this. Let's go. So Maleek Berry basically just dropped an amazing project, and I'm just gonna be going over one of the tracks on that project, which is All Over You. I just listened to it once, and I'm just gonna try to like remake it. It might not be exactly the same, but just want to show you guys how you could create some amazing beats. So let's just listen to what the vocal sounds like.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up, making up.
Yeah, if I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and just basically give it like just an effect to add like reverb, reverb on it.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up, making up.
Nice. So next thing I'm just gonna go straight into creating the chords, and for the chords I want to be using sky keys. Maleek Berry, love this R&B kind of vibe. So you hear some nice R&B chords, some major sevenths, minor sevenths, not really major, but minor sevenths. So I'm just gonna try to do something like that.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up, making up, sneaking up onto you, through the night, haunting you, baby, no. And it's saying you ain't getting no my mind.
So basically that's just what we're gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's what we're gonna be working with. But before then, I think I wanna add the drums. And the drums are just gonna go with this Afro pop kind of vibe. So let me just go. I can just easily go to the Afro Synergy pack, because we have a bounce that is kind of similar to that. So let's see drum loops. So let's see. I can use that, but let's see. Yeah, I can go with this motel. So let's go to the drum construction and just go to motel. Right, we have this. So start with this.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up, making up.
So I think I need to shift this a little bit.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up,
I think I have our drums. I could actually create this board because I just want to use my drum loop, drum pack. So.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff.
So you guys need to actually just go get this pack for yourself and enjoy creating with it. So I think I'm gonna bring down the delay a little bit, the feedback.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up, making up.
Yeah, nice. So I see.
Breaking up.
I'm just contact it.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up, breaking stuff, taking up, making up.
So I can then add like lounge lizard to just layer another layer of chord progression. So let's go to the lounge lizard.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, taking up, making up, sneaking up onto you, through the night, haunting you, baby, no. And it's saying you ain't getting no my.
Yes, I think I'll just use the second part.
Making up, breaking stuff, taking up,
Nice.
making up, sneaking up onto you, through the night, haunting you, baby, no. And it's saying you ain't getting no my breaking up.
Nice. So I think I want to just add the bass, and for the bass, I think I'll go with trillion bass. There's this nice sub on trillion bass I really like. So I think that's just what I'm gonna, use. Let's see, tick. I think it's called tick. Yeah, let's go with this.
Breaking up, making up, breaking stuff, breaking up, making up, breaking stuff. Breaking up, making up, making up, breaking stuff. Breaking up, making up, making up, breaking stuff. Taking up, making up, breaking up, making up, making up, breaking stuff. Taking up, making up, making up, taking up, taking up, make. Breaking up, making up, making up, breaking stuff. Taking up, making up, making up, sneaking up onto you. Do the night, holding you, baby, no. And it's saying you ain't getting no my.
Yeah, so for the chorus you have a but I can layer it like octave higher. Let's go there. Yeah, then can have a yeah, so with the drums. So let's put in the main kick now. Keep it with it. I think I'm gonna sidechain it. Yeah. So basically that's like the other thing. Just wanna add some percussions. I'm basically just using my pack, so you can see how we can just create.
Breaking up, making up, making up, breaking stuff. Taking up, taking up.
Let's put our soft clipper.
Breaking up, making up, making up, break.
This also happens this vocals a lot, but yeah, we're still gonna just try it. I think it's minus 500, and I think it's the same key. This tempo of 65. Yeah, so if you're on the Patreon, I'm just gonna drop this FLP for you guys to use, right? So yeah, this is how you can create like all those nice Maleek Berry melodies. You see, just layers and layers of emotional sounds, nice minor chords, layer to some strings, some sub bass, some vocal samples, and you have that. Yep, and this is just how you can basically just create, those juicy, sweet Maleek Berry kind of vibe. I've listened to Maleek Berry a long time. Even before I started production, I've really studied Maleek Berry, and these are his vibe. This is something that is gonna vibe to, so if you can just get something, like I said, nice sounding chord progression, layer it with other melodies on top, add it, vocal sample on it. Trust me, you've gotten the Maleek Berry kind of vibe. So I hope you got something from this, and like I said, if you want to get this FLP, all you just have to do is be on the Patreon and you get access to this FLP and other amazing FLPs. But if you just want this FLP, it's going to be available on my website, where you could just get it for yourself in case you don't want to join the Patreon. And you also want to go get the Afro Synergy pack. Trust me, that pack is loaded. It's loaded. You definitely want to go get it for yourself. And if you did get something from this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.